Assalamu alaikum, guys. Due to pandemic conditions of COVID, government has provided accelerated learning program for the students of intermediate. Today I am going to discuss about the syllabus for physics part 1 or 11th class. Chapter 1 is measurements. The topics included are precision and accuracy, page 10-11, assessment of total uncertainty in final result, page 11 to 14, dimensions of physical quantities, page 16-17, examples 1.2, 1.3, 1.4, 1.5, 1.6. Then classwork question 1.4, 1.7, 1.8, page 20. Numerical problems included in it are 1.4, 1.5, 1.7, page 21. Homework question 1.9, page 20. And numerical problems 1.6, 1.9, page 21. Second chapter is vectors and equilibrium. It includes basic concepts of vectors 1 to 9 and 12, page 22 to 25 and 27. Vector addition by rectangular components, page 28 to 30. Product of two vectors, page 31 to 36. Torque, page 36-37. Examples 2.2, 2.3, 2.5, 2.6, page 30, 31, 34, 38. Classwork question 2.2, 2.10, 2.12, 2.13, 2.15, 2.17, page 43, 44. Problems 2.1, 2.6, 2.9, 2.11, page 45 and 46. Homework question include 2.1, 2.9, 2.16, page 43, 44, problem 2.3, 2.5, 2.10, 2.14. Now we move towards chapter 3, motion and force. It includes review of equation of uniformly accelerated motion, page 54. Impulse, law of conservation of momentum, page 57 to 59. Elastic and inelastic collision, page 60 to 62. Force due to water flow, page 63-64. Momentum and explosive force, page 64-65. Rocket propulsion, page 65-66. Projectile motion, page 66 to 69. Examples 3.2, 3.3, 3.5, 3.6, 3.7. Page 57, 59, 63, 64 and 70. Classwork question 3.10, 3.11, 3.13. Problems 3.3, 3.6, 3.7, 3.9, 3.10, 3.13 and 3.14. Homework question 3.9, 3.12. Problems 3.8, 3.11. Then we move towards chapter 4, work and energy. It includes work done by constant force, page 77-78. Work done by a variable force, page 78 to 80. Work done by gravitational field, page 80 to 82, power page 82, 83, energy page 83, 89 to 89, then interconversion of potential energy and kinetic energy, page 89, 90, conservation of energy, page 91. Examples 4.1, 4.2, 4.3, page 80, 83 and 91. Classwork question 4.1, 4.4, 4.5, 4.9. Numerical problems 4.2 to 4.6. Homework question 4.2, 4.7, page 97. Numerical problem 4.1, 4.2, 4.7, 4.8. Next chapter is chapter 5, circular motion. The topics which are included are angular displacement, page 100 and 101, angular velocity, page 101 and 102, angular acceleration, page 102, 103, relation between angular and linear velocities, centripetal force, moment of inertia, angular momentum, law of conservation of angular momentum, rotational kinetic energy, real and apparent weight, orbital velocity. Classwork question 5.2, 5.7, 5.9 and 5.10. Numerical problems 5.1, 5.3, 5.5 and 5.7. Homework question 5.1, 5.3, 5.4, 5.5, 5.11. Numerical problem 5.2, 5.6. Now we move towards chapter 6. Fluid dynamics. Viscous drag and Stokes law. Terminal velocity, fluid flow, equation of continuity, Bernoulli's equation, application of Bernoulli's equation. Examples 6.1, 6.2, 6.3. Classwork question 6.3, 6.8, 6.9, 6.10. Numerical problem 6.2, 6.4, 6.5, 6.7. Homework question 6.1, 6.2, 6.4. Numerical question problem 6.1 and 6.9. Next is chapter 7. Oscillations. Simple harmonic motion and uniform circular motion. Phase. A horizontal mass spring system. Simple pendulum. Energy conservation in simple harmonic motion. Free and forced oscillations. Resonance. Examples 7.1, 7.2, 7.3. Classwork question 7.4, 7.5, 7.6, 7.7, 7.8. Numerical problem 7.1, 7.2, 7.4. Homework question 7.11, 7.12, 7.13. Numerical problem 7.5. Next chapter is waves. Periodic waves, speed of sound in air, beats, stationary waves in stretch, string, stationary waves in air columns. Examples 8.1, 8.2, 8.3, 8.4. Classwork question 8.3, 8.6, 8.7. Numerical problem 8.1, 8.4, 8.5, 8.7. Homework question 8.10. Numerical problem 8.3 and 8.6. Chapter 9, Physical Optics. It includes wavefronts, Huygens principle, interference of light waves, Young's double slit experiment, Newton's ring, Michelson's interferometer, diffraction of light, diffraction due to narrow slit, diffraction grating, diffraction of X-ray by crystals, Examples 9.1, 9.2. Class work question 9.2, 9.4, 9.7. Numerical problem 9.2, 9.4, 9.5, 9.7. Next chapter is optical instrument. The topic included are least distance of distinct vision, magnifying power and dissolving power of optical instrument, simple microscope, compound microscope, astronomical telescope, stethoscope, speed of light, introduction to fiber optics principle. Examples 10.1, 10.2. Then question 10.3, 10.4, 10.6. Numerical problem 10.1, 10.2, 10.4, 10.6, 10.9. Homework question 10.1, 10.2. Numerical 10.3, 10.8. The last chapter is heat and thermodynamics. The topics included in physics part 1 or first year are kinetic theory of gases, internal energy, work and heat, first law of thermodynamics, molar specific heat of a gas, reversible and irreversible process, second law of thermodynamics, Carnot engine and Carnot's theorem. Examples 11.1, 11.2, 11.3, 11.4. Classwork question 11.2, 11.5, 11.8, 11.11. Numerical problem 11.1, 11.2, 11.3, 11.5, 11.7. Homework question 11.1, 11.6, 11.7. Numerical problem 11.4, 11.8 and 11.11. So this is all about first year physics accelerated learning program, EL.